At All-Star Academy, your child will discover a newfound love for learning and thrive beyond expectations. Without a thoughtfully designed and personalized environment like ours, your child may struggle to find purpose and fulfillment in their education. Furthermore, if your child does not flourish, they may begin to view themselves as being dumb or unwanted by their peers. All-Star Academy is recognized as the top-rated private school in King County, verified by Google ratings. We provide a nurturing environment where every child is known and supported, fostering a sense of belonging. Our personalized education approach ensures that each student receives tailored instruction, unlocking their full potential. With our unique farm program, students develop responsibility, confidence, and empathy through hands-on experiences with horses, goats, and chickens. Parents witness their children becoming happy, confident individuals with a passion for learning and a strong sense of self. Enroll your child at All-Star Academy today and watch them thrive academically, socially, and emotionally.